Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I'm Hidayat Ahmad binti Salihin from LC Batu Pahat. Today I'm glad to share with you all about Zapin dance. Zapin is one of the popular traditional Malay dances in Malaysia, especially in Johor, which originated from the Middle East in the 40th century, called as Hadramaut Arabs. This dance was introduced by missionaries and traders came from Arabia and Persia, and Zapin became one of the earliest performing culture, specifically in the region of the streets of Malacca, that blending Malay performative style together with dance and music. It had rooted inside Malay Islamic people for a long time. There were also a few regions in archipelago other than Johor that placed along the streets of Malacca that occupied by communities of Malay, for example Bengkalis, Siak, Pendalawan, and most part that located in Riau along the coastal areas where this dance was very famous. Zapin, the traditional dance still stands till today in civilization with the occurrence of interculture and cross-cultural brewing processes over time. It had been developed accordingly with custom and condition of the locals' moral and spiritual precedents. Zapin turns into a culture art in palace for occasion, for instance, welcoming visitors and festivities in the empire, and furthermore, amusement for society. Zapin is known by various of names such as Jipin, Jipin, and Zafin, but still bring the same meaning through dancing in, and it is interesting that an English historian recognized the word of Zapin is Arab origin and constantly used in the Johor states and part of Malay archipelago. Generally, Zapin dance is a form of dancer's footwork that following the rhythm of music composed by the sound of classic musical instruments such as gambus, accordion, rebab, marwas, rebana, and dog. The movement of the dancers' bodies must be energetic, followed by the robust music rhythm. Normally, it consists of back and forth and rotating movements. Traditionally, the dancers and musicians were all male, while women were advised not to participate to maintain the social boundaries. However, in the world today, Zapin has been adjusted in accordance with practice by both genders. There are a few basic steps which is in use to this day. The steps are followed by the music formed from the traditional instrument with 1, 2, 3, and 4 counts movement, where at the count of 4, the leg of the dancer are extended to the side of the last count made. On the count 1, dancer must stay motionless before stepping out one leg and another on the next count. Each one of the movements step together with hand movement in fundamental steps. Without any explanation, the dancer must remember the dance steps is sequenced as requires to coordinate the leg and hand movement. The upper body of the dancer must be straight position while doing the count steps. The movement of the legs can be done in same place or back and forth or make a diamond floor. In addition, there are reacting between the dancers themselves, like easy, challenging, or enjoying the dance and music. There is no specific rule in determining the quantity of the dancers. However, since the instruction are necessary during dancing, performing in pace are encouraged to entertain the audience. The Zapin movement show the artistry skills of the dance. For the music, gambus is the main instrument played for Zapin dance. Gambus originally brought from the Hadramaut Arabs to Southeast Asia region and become essential instrument in the Zapin dance. Historically, the instrument was carried by the traders on board for entertainment due to long time before introduced the instrument to local during trading along Malay Archipelago. The influence of this traditional music instrument made Zapin dance become one of the glorious culture in the region until now. There are various forms of gambus can be found throughout the archipelago. As some claims, it resembles a few different types of instruments from different regions to Arabs. The music of Zapin is very popular in various of ceremony where it can be played with or without the dance movement. The purpose of the music and dance is to enliven the atmosphere of the function. In addition, since Zapin dance is practiced by Malay Islamic community, Zapin normally related with religious choreos like Ma'al Hijrah, Cukur Jambul, Berzanji, during celebration of Nabi Muhammad's birthday and Hatam Al-Quran. There are during Berhatan, or even during Berhatan. Other than religious related ceremony, Zapin dance performance usually linked with Malay culture activities. For example, during wedding reception, social events, royal ceremonies, and any official businesses, variety shows, and Zapin competition festivals. As for the conclusion, the arrival of Zapin dance in Malay Archipelago many years ago show how Malay community acknowledge the arrival of the traders from Hadramaut Arabs and accepted the traditional culture brought by them. Since then, Zapin dance and its music became the identity of the Malay. It is undeniable that Zapin dance is one of the Malay culture that has never been forgotten since its existence. That's all. Thank you.